If you run a WordPress website that accepts payments from all over the world, the Gravity Forms Mollie add-on may be the perfect solution for your business. With a focus on European markets, Mollie allows you to take payments using Klarna, Ideal, SEPA, and Zafort, as well as major international credit cards. You'll also find a quick setup process, intuitive dashboard, branded checkout, and seamless integration with Gravity Forms, enabling you to cater to all of your customers' payment needs. To get everything set up, head to your WordPress admin dashboard and navigate to the Gravity Forms add-ons page. From there, you can easily install and activate the Gravity Forms Mollie add-on. Next, navigate to the Gravity Forms settings page to sync your forms with Mollie. If you don't have a Mollie account, you can use the link in the description of this video to create one for free. After you've synced your account, open the form editor and add the Mollie field to a form. You can use the field settings to choose the default payment method, specify supported credit cards, set the field to required, and more. After saving your changes, the final step is to create a feed that sends information to Mollie whenever this form is submitted. Navigate to your form settings and select Mollie. You can either edit the default feed that gets created when you add the Mollie field to a form, or create a new feed. Give the feed an appropriate title and select the transaction type. Next, specify the payment amount and then map your form fields to the Mollie billing fields. Once you save your feed, your form will be good to go and you'll be ready to start accepting payments using Mollie. To further extend the power and functionality of your forms, such as how to create surveys or connect to CRMs like HubSpot, check out our Gravity Integrations playlist. Thanks for watching.